Everyday English expressions. Under the weather. Meaning. Feeling sick or unwell. Use. Usually about mild illness, like a cold or tiredness. Examples. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, so I will stay home. She looked under the weather during the meeting. What for? Meaning. Asking the reason purpose. Use. Informal way to ask why or for what purpose. Examples. I bought 2 tickets. What for? He got scolded, but he didn't know what for. What if? Meaning. Expressing possibility, concern, or imagination. Use. Used to talk about hypothetical situations. Examples. What if it rains tomorrow? What if we miss the bus? Do we have a backup plan? Without question. Meaning. Certainly, without doubt. Use. To show strong agreement or fact. Examples. She is, without question, the best singer in the group. This is without question the hardest exam I've ever taken. Yield to. Meaning. To give way, surrender, or allow something else. Use. Common in traffic. Yield to pedestrians, or in arguments. Examples. Drivers must yield to people crossing the street. He refused to yield to pressure from his boss. You bet. Meaning. Absolutely, of course. Informal agreement. Use. To show strong confirmation. Examples. Can you help me tomorrow? You bet. Was the movie good? You bet. It was amazing. Bend over backwards. Meaning. To try very hard to help or please someone. Use. Often when effort is extra or beyond normal. Examples. She bent over backwards to make her guests feel comfortable. I will bend over backwards to finish this project on time. Hit the hay. Meaning. To go to bed, to sleep. Use. Informal, casual. Examples. I'm exhausted. Time to hit the hay. He hit the hay early after a long day of work. In the nick of time. Meaning. At the last possible moment, just in time. Use. For situations where something is narrowly avoided or achieved. Examples. We reached the station in the nick of time before the train left. She submitted the assignment in the nick of time. Once in a while. Meaning. Occasionally, not often. Use. To talk about rare actions or habits. Examples. I go hiking once in a while. He calls me once in a while to check in. Alex. Hey Sam, you look under the weather today. Are you okay? Sam. Yeah, just a little cold. I will be fine. By the way, I saw you running earlier. What for? Alex. Oh, I was late for class. What if the professor had locked the door? Sam. Laughs. He wouldn't do that, without question. He's the nicest professor. Alex. True. But I almost missed it. I got there in the nick of time. Sam. Wow, lucky you. Did the cars yield to you when you crossed the road? Alex. Nope, I had to wait forever. But thanks for asking. Can I borrow your notes? Sam. You bet. Anything for a friend? Alex. Thanks, man. You always bend over backwards to help. Sam. No worries. Now, I'm exhausted. I'm going to hit the hay. Alex, same here. We should hang out once in a while outside of school. Sam, agreed. Let's plan something this weekend.